Hello there, fellow art enthusiasts. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, where we're about to embark on a fiery adventure with our newest creation, the Fire Monster. Our journey begins with this magnificent fire flame, which serves as both the head and body of our mischievous monster. It's got flames twirling on its head, giving it a fierce and edgy look, almost like hair caught in the wildest wind. To add that touch of authenticity, we've sprinkled a few ashes and sparks here and there, making our monster even more believable. Now let's meet the heart of our friendly monster, its big, happy mouth. It's got edgy, pointy teeth below, and if you look closely, you'll see a fiery tongue in the background. And those different-sized eyes on top of the mouth, they give our monster an expression of pure excitement. And take a look at those arms. They're like fire flames reaching out, and we've even got tiny, playful fingers to complete the look. Oh, and don't miss the flames dancing around the arms. It's the fun part that adds that extra touch of magic. Now let's bring our monster to life with colors. We've started with a vibrant yellow, and we've given it a thick border to define the whole character. Then, we've added shades of oranges to fill up the character, making it look warm and inviting. Finally, we've used fiery red for the tongue and outer edges to give it that sizzling hot appearance. And there you have it, our adorable fire monster. So grab your colors and start crafting your own fiery friend. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and keeps the creative fire burning. Until next time, keep creating your own fiery adventures, and I'll see you soon.